Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to host Among Us game. To host an Among Us game, first of all, open up Among Us on your device. On the main screen, tap on the play button on the left hand side menu. Now click on whether you'd like to host a local or online game. To host an online game, tap on online, and on the next page, you will see options. To create game, enter code or find game. To host your own game, tap on create game. Now on the next page, go ahead and select the type of the game you are trying to host. Select the map you want to play on. Select the maximum amount of player that can join the game in the capacity option. Inside tag, select whether beginners, intermediate or experts can join the game. And under region, select the region and finally click on create game. You can also go ahead and customize the chat setting by tapping the chat option at the top right, select the chat type, chat language and finally tap create game and then click on confirm. Once everything is set, you'll be taken to the lobby where you can invite others by sharing the room code. Your room code will be displayed at the top right. You can share this code to anyone that you want to invite to the game. The players then will need to enter this code to join in your game. Once everyone is in, you can then tap on the start button to begin the game. And that's how you will be able to host a game on Among Us. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.